Hello everyone, this is Glenn Irvin and this is a short video about a Web 2.0 tool called InstaGrok. They are advertising it as a next generation interactive research engine. And basically what it does is it allows students to create what are called groks. Well, and for me they look like mind maps. And they basically break down important facts and in relationships between the facts. This would be great for research projects, for synthesizing ideas, for even evaluating resources as you go through the web. As you do a normal search on Google, if a student does a normal search on Google, they can be overwhelmed by the tons and tons of facts and then not be able to pull out what are the main ideas. And that's what InstaGrok does really well. So, for example, I am doing a unit here on the LA walkouts that happened in 1968 and how they have a relationship um, with the civil rights movement. As you can see here, all I did is type in Los Angeles walkouts, and I was able to create this InstaGrok. Basically, what it does is it comes up when you initially type in the name, it comes up and it has the main theme topic right here that you type in and some other breakout topics. And all I've done is I clicked on the breakout topics themselves and then I was able to then go ahead and pull out different information from each one of these. So let's go ahead and do a different topic here. I just saw climate change come by, so I'll go ahead and just do a grok for climate change, and I'll just show you how it works. So the first thing it does is I'll show you right here in the middle is it has climate change in the middle, and it has some different themes around it. Now, one of the coolest things is not only, I mean, these are just very basic words. You can change the level at which these words come up. So if you have climate change, you want to talk about it for example, high school students. You can see this difficulty level meter. I just pushed it to the right, and it changed some of the words to basically more complex words, greenhouse gas emissions. If I do the opposite, I pull it all the way to the left, it breaks those words down into very simple words. Now, they're not the same words. I'll put it back in the middle here. They're not the same words. So you want to take a look and see which one fits better for you. So I'm going to go ahead and pull it all the way to the right. Looks like we have greenhouse gases, extreme weather, global warming, innovation, unite. And if for example, I saw like the word unite, and I'm like, that doesn't really have anything to do with climate change, or at least not what I want to talk about. I could just click off of it. Emissions sound good, natural gases, greenhouse gases, extreme weather. I'm going to click off that one too. Let's take that one off. So then what we can do, let's just go to global warming here, and let's break that topic off. And now I click it, and greenhouse gas comes up again, so I don't need that. Emission appears over here, so I don't really need that. WWF, I don't know exactly what that is. So I can click it. Let's see. WWF are partners of working to restore natural resources. Okay, so this would be great. What if I wanted this resource here? I can pin it to my grok here, and you can see now my source is here, and it's pinned there, and I can access where this actually came from a little bit later. As far as in my presentation here, I'll show you how to access all of these resources. So you can keep continuing to break out each one of these as you work on the grok itself and find different things. Are like, okay, innovation. Let's go ahead and do some different things on that. Here's probably a video there too. I can click on this and I can find videos, images, concepts, notes, websites. So let's just go images, and it should come up with all kinds of different climate change images, but I guess it's not coming up with anything right now. Let's do some images. No images for greenhouse gases. Let's go global warming. Let's see if it comes up with any images. Right now, no images are popping up. But videos too. Here we go. Climate myths, global warming versus climate change. Some different news articles possibly there too. And your students or you yourself can actually find the validity of each one of these sources. It creates basically very quick mind maps. And then from there, what's super cool I like about this is once you pinned items or you like specific things, like if I like this article here, I'm like, hey, you know what? This is a nice article. I want to go ahead and use it. You can go ahead and start bringing on, I clicked over here from grok to journal. And I can basically start writing a research paper right here or a summary or whatever it is that I'm writing. And look at my bibliography has already started to be created. Climate change, effects on climate change, my different articles that were part of this original grok have already been pulled for me right here. If I have specific things that I want to pull into my specifically pinned items I want to pull into my paper, I can pull them from here and put them right into my actual article that I'm going to go in and be writing here super easily, be able to drag and drop them into my article. So anyway, try out the site, see what you think. I think it'll be great for research papers, for students, and also for teachers to be able to break down the essential components of whatever the topic that they're talking about. If you have any questions, let me know. Adios.